Hi friends, in last lecture we studied the different lab tests on ordinary Portland cement, in which we saw fineness of cement with the help of IS 9, that is 90 micron sieve, the standard consistency of cement with the help of Vickert apparatus, and initial setting time of cement with the help of Vickert apparatus. The initial setting time of cement is not less than 30 minutes. From IS 269 1989 specifications for OPC for 33 grade of cement, and from IS 4031 part 5 1988 methods of physical test for hydraulic cement. Part 5 is for determination of the initial and final setting time of cement. Today we will see the final setting time test on cement. The aim of this test to determine the final setting time of cement. The apparatus are used for this test are Vickert apparatus, standard needles of final setting time, mold, glass plate, measuring cylinder, stopwatch, and non-porous plate on which the mold will be placed. The material for this test is cement and water. Cement when mixed with water from paste, which gradually becomes less plastic and finally a hard mass is obtained. The process is called setting of cement. During setting of cement, a stage is reached when the cement paste is sufficiently rigid to withstand a definite amount of pressure. The time to reach this stage is termed as setting time of cement. The setting time is divided into two parts, namely initial and final setting time. The time taken to reach the stage after mixing the water to the cement to the time when the paste has completely lost its plasticity, attained sufficient fineness to resist definite amount of pressure, and becomes a hard mass is known as the final setting time of that cement. For this test, the IS recommendations as per IS 269 1989, the initial setting time of cement should not be less than 30 minutes and final setting time of ordinary Portland cement should not be more than 600 minutes. Now let's see the procedure for this test. First step is take 500 grams of cement sample and add 0.85 times the water required to produce the cement paste of standard consistency. The paste shall be gauged and filled in the Vickert mold within 3 to 5 minutes. Starts the stopwatch the moment water is added to the cement. The test shall be conducted in room temperature, that is at 27 plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius. The needle shown in the figure, bring it in contact with the surface of the test block and quickly release. Allow it to penetrate into the test block. In the beginning, the needle will completely penetrate through the test block, but after some time the paste start losing its plasticity. The final setting time is defined as the time or period elapsing between the time when water is added to cement and the time at which the final setting time needle of 1 millimeter square section with 5 millimeter diameter attachment makes an impression on the test block while the attachment fails to do so. In this test, the initial setting time needle is replaced by final setting time needle with an annular attachment. It is released on the top surface of the mold at regular intervals and the time is recorded. In the beginning, the needle and the collar with make impression on surface of the paste. When the cement is finally set, only needle will make the impression and the collar will fail to do so. The time thus recorded shall be the final setting time. Care must be taken to clean the needle each time and the needle should be released at a new place. As per IS recommendation, the final setting time of OPC should not be more than 600 minutes. Now let's see the next test on cement, that is soundness test of cement. The phenomenon by virtue of which cement does not undergo large change in volume when treated with water is called as soundness. If the quantity of free lime and magnesia is present in excess during the manufacturing of cement, it is liable to remain uncombined and be overburned in the kiln. The cement, concrete or mortar of such cement is liable to expand after the setting action is completed. It is one of the cause of cracking of cement. Soundness test is performed to accelerate the slacking action of free lime and magnesia if they exist by the application of heat, thereby detecting the defect in a short time. The unsoundness may be reduced by fine grinding of cement through mixing of cement in mixture, limiting the magnesium oxide content to less than 0.5% and allowing the cement to aerate for several days. Unsoundness is generally expressed by the expansion of cement paste by Le Chatelier's methods. Le Chatelier apparatus consists of small split cylinder of spring brass of thickness 0.5 mm, forming a mold 30 mm. Two indicators with pointed ends are attached on both sides of the split, which should not be more than 0.5 mm. The distance from these ends to the center of the cylinder is 165 mm, which is shown in the figure. In this test, take 100 gram of cement and 0.78 P water is added, where P is the percentage of water required for normal consistency of cement paste. It is mixed thoroughly for about 3 minutes. Remove air bubbles from the cement paste if any. Cement paste is then filled into the mold resting on a glass plate. Within 5 minutes from the instant water is added. The mold is then smooth and covered with another glass plate. A small weight is placed on the top and whole assembly is immediately submerged in water at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. Then the mold is removed from water and distance separating the indicator pointer is measured. The whole assembly is submerged again in water and the water is heated till it reaches the boiling point in 25 to 30 minutes. The mold is kept in boiling water for 3 hours. Then the mold is taken out of water and allowed to cool. After cooling, the distance between pointers is again measured. The difference between these two measurements represent the expansion of cement. For OPC, rapid hardening cement and low heat cement, the expansion shall not be more than 10 millimeter. As per IS 269/1989, the expansion of cement as per Lee Chatelier test shall not exceed 10 millimeter, and as per autoclave method it not be 0.8%. Next test is compressive strength of cement. It is most important test of cement. This test is carried out to determine the compressive strength of cement. The mortar of cement and standard sand is prepared. The proportion is 1:3, which means that 1 part of cement is mixed with 3 parts of standard sand. Instead of standard sand, ordinary sand passing through 850 microns ISU and not more than 10% by weight passing through 600 micron ISU may be used. The ordinary sand which will be replaced by standard sand. To perform this test, 200 gram of cement and 600 gram of standard sand by weight are taken and mixed dry in a non-porous mixing pan to uniform color. With the help of trowel for 1 minute, the water is added at the rate of P/4 plus 3% of water when ordinary sand is used by weight of cement and sand mixed together, where P is the standard consistency of cement, that is the percentage of water to be added in the mixture. It is mixed thoroughly to an even color for about 3 minutes. The cube mold made of metal of size 70.6 millimeter is placed on a non-porous base plate and is oiled from inside. The mold is fitted on the table of the fabricating machine. Immediately after mixing, the mortar is put into the cube mold and is compacted for 2 minutes by the vibration of the fabricator machines, which runs at a speed of 1200 plus or minus 400 vibrations per minute. The filling and compaction of mold should be finished within 5 minutes from the instant water is added to mortar. The mold is then removed and the top surface is smoothly off by the single stroke of a towel. The prepared cubes are kept at a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius plus 2 degrees Celsius in an atmosphere of at least 90% relative humidity for 24 hours. Then the cubes of mortar are removed from the mold and immersed in water for curing until taken out for testing, that is after 3 or 7 or 28 days. The 3 cubes are to be tested for 3 days or 14 days or 28 days for the compressive strength test, and the average of the strength of the 3 cubes shall be considered, the period being record from the completion of the vibration. Next test is tensile strength test. This test was formerly used to get an indirect indication of compressive strength of cement. Generally, it is used for rapid hardening cement. The procedure is the mortar of cement and sand is prepared in the proportion of 1:3, means 1 part of cement and 3 parts of standard sand. The quantity of water 8% by weight of cement and sand is added to the mortar. The bracket mold is filled with mortar and then a small heap of mortar is formed at its top. It is beaten down by a standard spatula till water appears on the surface. Same procedure is repeated for other faces of bracket. 12 such standard molds are prepared. The molds are kept in a damp cabin for 24 hours. The molds or bracket are as shown in the figure. The length of the mold is 76.2 mm and the width is 44.5 mm. Then the mold are carefully removed from the molds and they are submerged in clean water for curing. The bracket are tested in testing machine at the end of 7 days. 6 brackets are tested in each test and average is found out. During the test, the load is to be applied uniformly at the rate of 35 kg per centimeter square. The cross sectional area of bracket at its least section is 6.45 centimeter square. Hence, the ultimate tensile stress of cement paste is obtained from the formula, that is ultimate tensile stress is equal to falling load divided by 6.45, that is falling load divided by the cross section area of bracket. Then last step is the tensile stress at the end of 3 days should not be less than 20 kg per centimeter square, and that at the end of 7 days should not be less than 25 kg per centimeter square. This is tensile strength test on cement. These all tests are done on ordinary Portland cement only as per IS recommendations. We saw the lab tests are chemical composition, fineness of cement, consistency of cement, initial and final setting time of cement, then soundness of cement, then compressive strength of cement as per his grade. The grade of cement are 33, 43 and 53. Normally we use 53 grade of cement nowadays. then the tensile strength test on rapidly hardening cement. These are the tests. Thank you.